Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a product unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing since I actually bought this camera, in which I use all the time for regular pictures, for all my videos, and just, I don't know, trying to do like little trick shots that I've been trying to learn on YouTube. So yeah, I love my camera. But today's video is going to be on a cleaning product. If you didn't know, if you're new here, my channel is about cleaning videos, things I do with my family, pretty much like little DIYs, you know, just a little lifestyle channel. So I've been wanting a steam mop forever. I can't even remember the show that I watched one time. It was like this guy who was like a really clean freak, and he got to trade spaces with some house, and he got to clean their house up, and he brought this steam mop. So I was like, wait, I ain't know nothing about no steam mop, you know what I'm saying? So I started looking them up, and it's something that, you know how like you have things that you like but you don't want to buy it. So I kind of said something about it right before Christmas, and my hubby got it for me. A lot of people don't like Christmas presents that are cleaning products, but I do, because I like to clean up. But without further ado, let's get into this review. The product of choice here, if you read the title, is going to be the, what is it here? Excuse me. It's the Powerfresh Steam Mop by Bissell, and he actually got the one that I wanted, because you know there are different, you know, price tiers and stuff like that. And I actually kind of like had, I don't know if he looked at my phone or something, because this is the one that I had saved. Like, this is the exact one. Alright, so you were able to see a few things that it has on the box and what comes in it. So now you're going to see me doing a quick unboxing, and I'm going to go ahead and set it up for you guys. And I'm probably going to do like a little initial, like, what are my thoughts. I'm going to do a little spot test to let you guys see how it works. Alright, so we're going to do a bit of unboxing here so you can see what comes right out of the box, what you should expect. Lord, I don't want to be cutting anything. Okay, one cool thing I do see here on the box is that there are this says demineralized spring breeze scented water. They have a eucalyptus mint one, which is my favorite scent, and they have a citrus scented water. So these are things that you can buy, but they don't come with this. This one comes with 2 spring scent discs, as you saw in the footage from a little bit earlier. But this is what those look like right here. So I'm gonna have to pick up some of those from Walmart. It's not assembled, as I told you. I guess this is the body. So nice and new. The body here. We'll go ahead and take that out of the plastic. I think it'll go this way. Yeah, it'll go this way. Then we'll have, this is the handle here. All right, next up in here is the actual, looks like the cover for it. I hope you can buy replacements of these, because stuff like that freaks me out, having the same pad forever. This is the head of the mop. I'll go ahead and take it out of the plastic for you guys. So yeah, this is here. And okay, so yeah, so it's a replacement. Okay, so this is already covered, so it has 2 of these little pads or covers on it. All right, and you'll have your actual user guide. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up real quick. You guys don't need to hear me talking about it. I'm gonna read the guide, and I'm gonna pop this in quickly, and we'll put this thing to use. did was finish my entire floor, and I really like it. Actually, my floors look amazing. They smell good. The little pad that they put in there, the little scented pad, which I forgot to show you guys, they look like this here. My light's a little bright, but it's the Bissell Spring Breeze fragrance disc. But yeah, so this is the tank. This is it. It's done like a really good job. And you see, this is the tank that you fill up and stuff, and you can put the fragrance in here, or the little pads actually go inside of the like little cover. So I do want to thank you guys for checking that out. So far, day 1 of cleaning my floors, I would definitely recommend this steam mop, because I don't want to push around the other type of mop, you know, like the regular mop around on my floors, and they're all like soaking wet, or just, I don't even like touching mops, to be honest with you. So I really like this for my floor, and I will keep you guys updated. So thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope this helped you to make the decision if you are looking into getting a steam mop. All right, until next time, see you guys soon. Bye bye.